In this video, I've handpicked the 5 best budget rowing machines for home use. These are affordable rowing machines that prove you don't need a premium price tag to get real results. Whether you're looking for a cheap rowing machine under $150, a magnetic budget rower under $300, or the best affordable rowing machine under $400 that feels close to a premium model, I've got you covered. So, if you've been holding off because rowing machines seem too expensive, stick around, because these budget rowers will show you that getting a smooth, reliable, and durable machine for home workouts doesn't have to drain your bank account. 5. Sunny Health & Fitness SF-RW1025 Budget Rower. The Sunny SF-RW1025 is one of the most affordable rowing machines you can buy, and it's perfect for someone who wants to test rowing workouts at home without a big financial commitment. At under $150, this budget rowing machine is designed for beginners who just need a compact, lightweight, and low-cost way to get cardio in. It uses hydraulic resistance with 12 adjustable levels, giving you enough variety to switch between easy and moderate workouts. The frame is very light, under 25 pounds, which makes it easy to move around and store. The compact size is ideal for apartments, dorms, or anyone who doesn't have a dedicated workout space. The digital monitor is extremely simple, showing time, reps, and calories, but that's expected for a budget home rowing machine at this price point. The trade-off is durability and feel. Hydraulic resistance isn't as smooth as magnetic or air, and taller users may find the shorter rail limiting. Still, if your main goal is an entry-level, cheap rowing machine that lets you burn calories and move more without spending much, the SF-W1025 is a great place to start. 4. Stamina BodyTrack Glider 1050 Affordable Rower. If you want a rowing machine that feels a bit closer to real water rowing but still falls firmly into the budget category, the Stamina BodyTrack 1050 is a strong option. Usually priced under $200, this budget rowing machine stands out because it uses dual full-motion arms instead of a single straight pull. That motion mimics rowing on water more closely than other hydraulic models, which gives you a more natural workout at a very affordable price. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store. The arms fold in and the frame can be tucked away when not in use. The monitor is basic, showing time, stroke count, and calories, but that's expected for a budget home rowing machine at this price point. The trade-off is durability and feel. Hydraulic resistance can warm up during longer sessions, which slightly reduces the challenge, and it won't match the smooth pull of a magnetic rower. But for under $200, this cheap home rowing machine delivers more range of motion and a more realistic rowing feel than most other models at this level. It's a smart pick for anyone who wants an affordable but effective full-body workout without spending big. 3. Sunny Health & Fitness SF-RW1515 Magnetic Budget Rower. The Sunny SF-RW1515 is one of the most popular budget magnetic rowing machines, priced around $250 to $300. Compared to hydraulic models, this affordable magnetic rower delivers a much smoother and quieter pull, which makes it feel like a premium machine without leaving the budget price range. It features 8 resistance levels controlled by a simple knob, giving you flexibility for light cardio, moderate endurance training, and even more intense sessions if you push yourself. It's heavier than hydraulic models, but still foldable, with transport wheels for easy storage. The padded seat, non-slip pedals, and longer slide rail make it much more comfortable and suitable for taller users compared to cheap compact rowers. The digital monitor is basic, showing strokes, calories, and workout time, but most budget rowing machines cut costs here. What makes this model shine is that you're getting a cheap rowing machine under $300 that feels closer to mid-range magnetic rowers in smoothness and comfort. If you want something sturdier and longer lasting than the cheapest options, but still within budget, the SF-1515 is a very safe buy. 2. Fitness Reality 1000 Plus Bluetooth Budget Rower. The Fitness Reality 1000 Plus is one of the best budget rowing machines with modern features, usually available for $300 to $350. While still considered an affordable rower, it brings in tech features that most budget models skip. This machine uses magnetic resistance with 14 levels, giving you a wider range of intensity options than standard 8-level budget rowers. The big difference here is Bluetooth connectivity. You can sync it with apps, track progress, and even follow guided rowing workouts, which makes it much more engaging than rowers with simple LCD screens. The frame is foldable, supports up to 250 pounds, and is long enough for taller users. The magnetic system is whisper quiet, making it perfect for apartment use or shared living spaces. While the monitor alone is basic, when paired with apps, it becomes far more useful than anything in this price range. The trade-off is that it's not built like a $1,000-plus rower, so hardcore athletes may find the resistance a bit light. But if you're looking for an affordable rowing machine under $400 that still gives you connectivity and a smoother rowing experience, the Fitness Reality 1000 Plus is one of the best options for budget-conscious buyers. 1. Merax Magnetic Exercise Rower. Best budget rower overall. The Merax Magnetic Exercise Rower earns the #1 spot because it balances affordability, build quality, and comfort better than any other budget rowing machine for home use. Priced under $400, it uses magnetic resistance with 8 levels, offering a smooth, quiet rowing motion that feels closer to premium models. The sturdy frame supports up to 330 pounds, which is above average in the budget category, making it a solid choice for families or heavier users who don't want a flimsy, cheap rower. The padded seat, cushion handles, and adjustable footrests make longer sessions comfortable, a big plus for anyone planning regular workouts. The folding design saves space, and transport wheels make it easy to move. The monitor is simple, showing strokes, time, and calories, but that's typical for affordable rowing machines. Where it shines is reliability. While many cheap rowing machines feel unstable, the Merax feels stable, quiet, and durable at a fraction of the cost of high-end brands. If you're looking for the best budget rowing machine under $400 that delivers smooth resistance, comfort, and durability without unnecessary frills, the Merax Magnetic Rower is the clear winner. It gives you the feel of a higher-end model while staying firmly in the affordable category. So, there you have it, the 5 best budget rowing machines for home use. Each of these affordable rowing machines prove you don't need to spend over $1,000 to get a full-body, low-impact workout. From the most cheap entry-level rowing machines under $150 to sturdier magnetic budget rowers under $300 and $400, there's a model here that fits both your fitness needs and your wallet. If you found your perfect match, check out the links in the description. They're affiliate links, so they won't cost you extra, but they do help support the channel. And if this video helped you narrow down the best budget rower for your home gym, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which affordable rowing machine you're thinking about picking up.